Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Friday, August 29, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about our QuickSilver Wealth Accelerated Flippin' Friday deals. All right, so every Friday we have a deal with this company, and I'm going to talk to you about that. But if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 19 years now, and I've been fortunate enough to be working full-time for myself since 2018. And it's my true passion to help other people generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So, if you haven't seen any of my videos about QuickSilver, you're going to want to go and check those out, because this is just an amazing company and an amazing opportunity for all of you who are in the work from home niche, all right? Or maybe you're looking for a way to supplement or replace your income. But today, we're talking about the Flippin' Friday deals, all right? So every Friday, this company offers, maybe it's a new release coin or a sale on a specific coin or a specific package. And today's deal is all of our coins in original mint packaging are on sale. Okay? So anything that is in mint packaging is on sale today. And what is the benefit of that? Well, having something that is mint and graded, right, never been circulated or touched, it holds value, right? The coins hold their value. They're collectibles, right? And they hold their value, and more often than not, they increase in their value, all right, over time. So when you buy something that's minted, you're ensuring the coin's authenticity and the resale value of it, right? And the maximum resale potential. All right, so there's people that go out and they collect collectible coins, and then there's people that just go out and they buy silver, and they're not really concerned about what coin it is. I'm the latter type of person. All right, I'm not really into going out there and paying $185 for a minted coin because of the resale value potential, or because it's a collectible. I'm more interested in just buying silver, okay? And if I can go and buy, say you're buying a $200 collectible coin, and it's one coin and it's 1 ounce of silver, I can go and buy, 5 coins at $40 a piece and get the same value in silver. You see what I'm saying? So either way, it doesn't matter. I mean, if you're a coin collector and you like the collectibles, that's awesome. There's nothing, I'm not opposed to either way. I'm just telling you personally, I just go for buying the silver coin, and I'm not too concerned about if it's a collectible or not. I'm just going for the silver value, okay? But if you're a coin collector and you're into collecting collectible coins, then this is something that you want to check out, because all of our minted packaged coins are on sale right now. And that is what our Flippin' Friday deal is this week. Every Friday it's something different. And like I said, sometimes they release new coins, sometimes it's a sale on a specific coin or a specific coin package. It all depends, but it varies every single week. And it's just another fun thing that this company does that, keeps everything interesting, And you might not be into coin collecting, or you might not have ever given, stacking silver or gold any thought. But right now, it's a great time to start stacking silver and gold, simply because it's going to continue to go up in value, all right? The more money that our government prints, the more our dollar bill gets devalued. It's already lost 96 or 97% of its purchasing power since 1913. So our paper money is not backed by anything, all right? It's barely worth the cost of the paper that it's printed on, right? So by stacking silver and or gold, you're building your investment portfolio. It's a hedge against inflation, and it's something that's going to hold its value and continue to go up in value over time, right? Because in all the thousands of years, gold and silver, it just continues to go up, right? And the experts are saying that there's going to be a huge run here in the very near future. They're not 100% sure when, but, it's going to go up, all right? Because silver particularly is used in everything. right? I mean, it's used in solar panels, it's used in the medical industry, it's used in our phones and laptops and desktops and televisions and electronics and, you know, jewelry. It just goes on and on. It's used in lots of different applications. So we know that there's only a certain amount of silver on planet Earth, and when the demand for that silver increases, so does the value, right? So there's no better time to start buying and stacking silver and gold if you like that. So there's two things you can do with QuickSilver. You can, well, actually three things. You can go, I'll put a link down below, and just shop the store and pay retail prices, which some people do. Or you can join as a preferred customer for free. You set up a coin, whatever you want on auto shipment. So every month you're getting a package delivered to you and you're getting the membership pricing. Or if you want to step it up even further and earn commissions by sharing this opportunity with other people, you can become a wealth ambassador. All right. Join as a wealth ambassador. You're going to get a wealth platform. It's a back office, a complete back office with everything you need. You're going to get replicated sites. You're going to get the ability to earn up to 7 different ways, which is awesome. The company pays out 7 different ways. One of the ways, by the way, just one of these ways, you can earn up to $25,000 a month potential. All right. If you are an action taker and put in the work. I can't guarantee you'll make any money if you join as a wealth ambassador, simply because, you know, it's all dependent on your work ethic, and most people, they don't have a very good work ethic. But the potential's there, all right? And there's people that make a lot of money in this opportunity because they go out there and take action every day and show up and stay consistent, like I talk about in all my videos, right? So I will leave links down below this. And let me tell you something. There's also, if you become a wealth ambassador, they have a third-party marketing system. It's free for 7 days to test out. And then it's only $7.77 a month to have it. All right. So you can become a wealth ambassador for the wealth platform is $9.97 a month. You get the marketing system, right? Because you want to build your leads, your list. And you want to have a system that does all the selling and telling for you. Okay. That's $7.77 a month after the free 7-day trial. And then you can set up an auto shipment for as little as $8.97 a month. So for less than $30 a month, you can own your own precious metals business and have the potential to earn up to $25,000 a month with just one of the ways out of the 7 different ways that the company pays. Right? And you're, at the same time, you're building your investment portfolio. And on top of all that, the company takes out a certain percent of the profits and feeds hungry, starving children. All right? So it's a win-win for everybody. It's a win-win. And let me just tell you this. You might be saying, oh, I'm not a good recruiter. I can't bring people into opportunities. When you get the marketing system, one of the benefits of the marketing system and how they have this set up, which is absolutely brilliant, is that you can give away free silver. All right? For simply taking a tour of the website. That's a benefit. That's how these capture pages are set up. People are going to be receiving a free bar of silver. All right, they just have to pay a very nominal, I think it's like $2.74 shipping fee. And the company's going to send them a 1 gram bar of free silver, okay, just for checking out the opportunity. So if you want to check out the opportunity and learn more and get your free bar of silver, you go to silverstackingempire.com. silverstackingempire.com. All right, but this is a great week. It's a great time to start collecting or even start earning. All right, you want to check out the sale. I'll put a link down to my shop if you just want to check out the sales. Of course, those are going to be retail prices you see on there. And you want to click and join as a preferred member to get the member pricing. And I'll put a link down there where you can get your free bar of silver and, you know, check out everything that this company has to offer and join as a wealth ambassador if you're looking for a way to not only build your investment portfolio, but supplement or replace your income. All right. And I can't guarantee you'll make any money again. It's simply based on your work ethic. But the people that join me and take action, they get results. It's as simple as that. That's the secret formula. If you show up every day and take massive action and stay consistent, you will get results. Okay. So check out our Flippin' Friday deal and reach out to me if you have any questions. I'm here to help you out. And that's it for this video. All right, so I hope you found value in it. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. And feel free to share this with somebody who might benefit from it. You might not be interested in it, but you might know somebody who's looking for a way to supplement or replace their income, or build their investment portfolio. Please share this video with them. It helps me out a lot, and I greatly appreciate it. So with that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. Oh, and by the way, my wife said thank you for everybody who took the time to thumbs up my birthday post for her. Yesterday was her birthday, and she appreciated all the thumbs up that the post got. So I hope everyone has a great day. I look forward to seeing you on my next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.